Hi mga Cloud Chaser, this is Ken, your social climber. For today's video guys, sasamahan nyo ako mag-host for our seminar sa school. Before the event starts, kailangan namin munang mag-recheck sa mga speakers and their backgrounds. And as well, mga spiels naming sasabihin.
Ayan! Good afternoon everyone! So, ayan, alright! Ayan, alright! Ayan, alright! Ayan, alright! To begin our program for today,
Diba narinig yun naman, gamit na gamit ang ayan, alright.
question. The question is, what is the ratio? Again, alright, I'm sorry. So my question is, what is the ratio? Oh my gosh, ang daming nagaganap. What is the ratio of CES?
So guys, if you're asking bakit ang daming mali and errors, kasi nga it's my first time to host this kind of event. Napakadaming tao.
Ayan! Magsubukan na lang kayo.
May AIDS naman yung patient, that's your 2:1.
Ay, kiss! Kitchen package ang nakuha niya, guys. According sa mga CI daw na pipi natin. So ano po sagot namin?
To clarify, siguro the question was, what is the ratio of the CD8 to CD4 of patients with AIDS?
Hello, Philippines! Yes, oh my gosh! Isa pala itong away. Ano? Yeah.
So that's it guys, the event is already done and we're all packing na. Makita nyo naman sa lahat ng mga interns, di ba, na gaano kami ka-stressful to make this program perfectly, flawlessly, accurate, and precisely. And nandito kami sa lobby waiting for our grab para uuwi at kakain kami kasi gutom na gutom kaming lahat. So, sobrang naming gutom, may nakita kaming sisigan dito sa gilid ng kanto namin. So, kumain kami para mabusog.
Ulang pa, mali yung kanton.
So hanggang dito na lang guys. See you on my next vlog. Bye!